Hello and welcome. Here we are going to start the reversing of string. Before that, we have to do some operation in string. Suppose I will open this. Where is the module? And let's try in this. We will try in first of all in I will assign one variable name as naming, and let's say name is giving us naming. Now if I want this 3 letter, then how can I print here? Python give us easy method. Here we can print simply by, we will not assign to this, we can print 3 and this. No, this is no, this from this will show where left or right. If we pass this number, it will read up to when we end. Suppose I want to read A and M. This is A in the position of 1 and M is the position in 2. Let's see if it's give us, sorry for this, no need to save this, it is giving us A. Yes, this is, it will not read this value because this will be here. If I pass 3 here, it will, sorry for this, we cannot edit this and we have to pass here. If I pass here 3 and I will get here AM. This is the method of passing here from where to up to when we are reading this file, this data. This is the best thing that Python give us as a boon. Now I want to read this first letter of this. This is in the third position. I think this is in the third position, as it is in the third position. No, as it is in the second position, but it will not run up to the third position because we are know it is less than 3 position. Let's name and 3. It is giving name 1 to 3. What it will do, it will print all the letter before this index, means this is the index third. I before this, it will print this 3 letter. Let's make here 5 and sorry, we have to copy this and paste it. Here I will make 5 and enter. It is giving 1 2 3 4 5 up to on, this is off. Now but I want to read this last 3 letter here. For this we have to pass in reversing order. Here I will pass 3, sorry, we have to pass -3 and this means we are counting from last, means it will count by -1, -2 and -3 because we are counting in reverse order. Let's see, ing is the -3, this is -0, -1 and this is -2. It will run up to less than -3, in this case greater than -3. This is how we can read. Let's go. Now you may got the idea how we can reverse the string. Let's make the string 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 is equal to input. We need a string, so by default it will be string. In the Python I will make input enter string. Sorry for this. Here first of all we have to count this number for I in s in range str bn r str in string, and here we will make string. Now I have said that string, I will make a reverse string rev string is equal to null here, and I will make plus is equal to, I should get the last component string string dot -1, and I should decrease that string is equal to, sorry, this is reverse string rev. I should make rev string is equal to here up to length -1. Sorry, we have to pass here number. I will pass this length here, control X, and here n is equal to control V. We need this here. Here I will make n-1. It will run up to the position of n-1. We can give the braces also here, and let's print this. Print rev string. Let's make this and run it. We are getting this value error here. Yes, this is not error here, this is the error here. I will insert jack. This is a fruit name. It is giving me the bad result here. JAC JAJ. We should get this last element here, but we are, yes, we are getting this here. We have to get this like this, because we want to read from this to this position, not to this position. KCCC, and it is not again making me the, we will print every time this reverse string, so we will get the position every time. Let's erase from here. We will make after this, and I will print here string also. Print this string rev string. Let's run it, and here is jack. It is giving me k here, c, but it is not decreasing here, because we are not decreasing. N is equal to n minus n, n is equal to n-1 here. We are not decreasing that number. Let's make, this is our full, not our, but this is my mistake. Yes, this is now this opposite meaning. Now we are going to find the palindrome of this number. Palindrome means, suppose I have, suppose what are the palindrome number, means here I can say what I can say. Suppose I have 151 number, and if we reverse this number, it will get 151. Here we can check palindrome number easily, but we can find this palindrome number check here. If here we will print reverse string here, control X, and print here, and if rev string double is equal to strings, then we will print string is palindrome. Else we will simply print is not palindrome. Let's make this that. I'll make this like this. I will make 1 2 3 4 and we should give us 4 to 1. This is not a palindrome number. Let's again find 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. Then it should be a palindrome. We are getting same number, but it is not comparing with this. We will make str here, because this may be changed here and here. Let's see that 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1 again giving me the same result. Why this is giving me? Because I have enter 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1 and it should make us, because now string is changed here. Now we should make a string count C string is equal to string. Yes, I have got, because we are decreasing that string every time. Here we will make this position here, and this is here and here too. Let's make this now we should get this again. This should be removed here, F5 and C. 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. Let's see, is again not a palindrome number, as there I have count again this. If I got, let's undo all of this. C string, simply we will make this here as this, sorry for this, Ctrl V, and here also Ctrl V and pasting here. Let's make this 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. It should say me as this is a palindrome. We should make another variable for handling this loop, and we can compare with this. This is how you can change the palindrome number or reversing a string. In coming video we will take more example in doing something like this in easy manner. Thank you for watching this video. We will come back soon. Thank you.